up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Surfboard was right here from a long time and thing, you know? We're doing it for the vlog, yes. As you could tell, the place is very secure, you know? We buttoned it up real good, you know?
Ricky was very ready for the hurricane.
I know the hurricane was coming, but I was still on my feet. Like,
He never.
Disappointed.
You disappointed?
Yeah, we spend only for money for food and stuff.
Me telling you, know, people, them attack with the weather, I feel like joking.
They might do something.
Me know, if you don't listen to me, Illuminati people, I'm not kill me. I have to educate my people, I feel like, you know, the way, yeah. That was my straight point, but you don't know what to do. To make the rain fall. Stop playing with the people then. You know what money we spend at
We
supermarket.
didn't even get a drop.
Eh?
No, it's a category 5 and we didn't even get nothing.
Nothing. No rain, no breeze,
No,
nothing.
look at it outside. Outside
Yeah.
is beautiful. And they say hurricane is in Florida right now.
Yeah, that they say.
And sun and shine. You don't see me in a van, man.
Might have one fan them have and them turn on.
I'm telling you, never control you. No, for that joke aside. You know why I think that joke?
No, they could do that.
Yeah. From 19, I forgot the exact date.
87.
No, sir.
No, way before.
But from back in the days, they could have tampered with the weather. So right now, we strongly feel them are playing with the weather right now.
Yeah.
You know, from when the weather for come?
You can go.
When yesterday it was still long, right?
Yesterday spent 36. He spent, well, he did 36 hours in a move for.
Or
He didn't have one place.
My
Zero mile per
Why,
hour.
if a natural weather, why it's stuck in the water for so long? I suck up the water, if you come back to land, come.
Natural causes.
Alright, you didn't even hear them prepare Bahamas, dog. All of a sudden.
Yeah, because them a trick them.
Yeah.
If that tell Bahamas say it never did a go hit.
Yeah, and all
So,
of a sudden
it whole line mash up.
power sitting there.
Yeah. Then you know.
You don't know kill me, I'm a friend them, but we catch on.
Yo, you know you can go on YouTube and put how to make a hurricane. Go on there, I swear you can go on there.
We don't know.
And it show you how to make a hurricane.
No, not how to make a hurricane, but there's a ways how a hurricane is made.
Oh.
You have to go YouTube that. Right now, as you know, watch it. We know someone have a type that's how to make a hurricane. The government are watching me, yeah. Be careful. If you don't have no green card, those. I'm just get that text out of them. Mother one thing. Over there, I need field vlog on this path hurricane. Nothing happened. Wait, we're still waiting for it?
Yeah, it not come yet.
Right now.
We're in a hurricane, people. As you can see, it's bad
You
outside.
can go to the beach.
Kids be safe. Stay in your house. Where are you in there? I don't know.
All we can do is just pray for Bahamas.
Yeah.
I'm praying. If
Yeah.
you decide if you turn on about the hurricane, no matter to it. Me I pray for safe. Cover me, God, please. Mother up on myself. Hurricane, I don't know what I said. Maybe I just want to fight over my crib.
No more.
And thing. We did lock up in our house over a couple of days because of the storm. And I'm going to look up there. But one, you see me? So yeah.
So right now, my G's, them there, Chabas and Ricky, them just gone home. So, my there now, and you don't know, say, the hurricane. Me dey back over the crib because them said the hurricane will come tomorrow, but nothing afford. You know what I mean? It afford of Florida well, but not the part of Florida here. It's probably the Fort Lauderdale, we good right here, so. And you know what I mean? So it even not hit Florida now, it just a graze. It even they near to the coast of Florida. But yeah, as me I say, Bedea and Chabas them just gone home and me need to figure out when me cook or me go consume for dinner. Me have a pumpkin, me feel for pumpkin, so me go do pumpkin, okra. Me have the pumpkin, okra, callaloo. Yeah, so me about to put me saltfish with scala and then link to the back. Over there. Alright, so I just done, you know what I mean? Food just done cook. And I'm going to see what I go on. You know what I mean? So, make we see what I go on right now. Right over here, we have our callaloo. If you can see, we have our callaloo right here. We have our pumpkin right here and some okra. You know what I mean? So, we just go in with the callaloo first, you know what I mean? So I go on. And it's spicy, no, can me cut up a pepper in here. Oh God, man. And then you okra them. Can't tell your okra could be 6 already. Delicious. You know the okra have the taste to it. Oh my God. From me I make callaloo and saltfish. This is the best callaloo and saltfish I ever make. Tasty pumpkin and sweet pumpkin I go on with. Everything iconic right now. Everything iconic. Sweet tone, everything iconic. Veggies, everything iconic. That is some really good pumpkin. The pumpkin consume lovely. Yeah, they just spicy the right way. Yo, I consume food and link on the back. Oh, this tastes good. Uncle back.